Integrating your Binance into your TradingView account can really change the way you buy, sell and trade cryptocurrency. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the very simple, easy process of integrating your Binance account into TradingView to make your world of cryptocurrency trading so much simpler, so much faster and so much more efficient. So first of all, what you do need to do is come over into your Binance account. If you have not created one so far, of course, you will have to create one. There's a whole host of exchanges that you can use to trade your cryptocurrency. Our chosen preferences are, of course, linked in the description down below. Utilize those affiliate links to have some fantastic sign-up bonuses. My personal preference is, of course, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏. That affiliate link is linked in the description down below, and in the top corner of the screen just now is a full tutorial of the 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏 account. It really illustrates why it is my chosen platform, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏. Again, in the top corner of the screen, guys. Head on over and check that out after today's tutorial. But of course, today we are talking about Binance, and we want to simply integrate Binance into our TradingView account. What we first of all have to do here is log into our Binance account and come up into our user menu. In the user menu, of course, what we need to do here is scroll down to that API management. We want to create an API key to take over into TradingView. Now, as you can already see within here, I do have an API key linked up here for my tax reports through 𝗕𝗪𝗪. What we now want to do is create a single API key for TradingView, selecting the Create API tab. We're then presented with the option whether we want to have a system-generated API key or a self-generated API key. The big difference here is system-generated. Binance will generate your API key and will share the public and the secret keys with you. If you self-generated, you will of course have to generate this API key yourself, then share that public key with Binance for this option, for this tutorial. I'm going to use the self-generated API. Now from here, of course, we have to label this API key. Of course, we're going to label this one TradingView. And like any other exchange, we have to get through the two-factor authentication. And now from here, we have to create the kind of API key that we want to carry over. What it is this API key is going to do and how we want it to interact. It may seem quite daunting, but the process is very simple. So now that we do have that API key here, what we now have to do is copy these tabs over into TradingView. Let's jump over to TradingView and we'll find out how to do this. What we're looking at right here is the BNB token on the Binance platform, this here being the hourly time frame. We might want to purchase some BNB for a hodl, we might want to leverage trade it, but first of all, we want to integrate the Binance exchange to TradingView. What we want to do first of all here is come down into the bottom right hand corner, selecting this arrow to the upside, and we want to come into this tab to the trading panel. Now in here is a list of brokers that you can connect to your TradingView, and as we can see, Binance isn't available. But if we select the all broker and look through the menu, we can see right here that the Binance tab is available. We want to select this one and hit the connect button. And from here, we now need to log into our Binance account. After doing all of that, of course, it will ask you then to grant the permission for the account to access your Binance within TradingView. You want to simply click confirm. And just like that, as we can see, we now have our Binance account connected here within TradingView. Currently, we do have the spot option open here. So what we're going to do here is minimize that tab. And what we're going to look at here is how are we going to pick up some BNB token here on our Binance account. So first of all, what we can do is reopen up that tab, come over here, and we can see that Binance is connected. We, of course, would want to push that trade tab. But a little bit more simpler here, on the lower menu, we can already see that Binance is available, and we can just simply click trade right now. And what this will do is allow us to place an order to pick up some BNB. Now, currently this hourly chart we can see is looking rather volatile in the current moment in time. I have highlighted down a little box here that I have been looking at BNB for picking up some $100 cost average basis. If this is something you're looking to do, $501 to $498, this might be a nice area. Yes, it's an hourly time frame. Short term, we're having a little push to the upside, but perhaps we want to pick up some BNB at $500. This option here, we would select $500 and input it at this point. And of course, we want to decide how much BNB do we want to pick up? Let's just say we want to pick up $1,000. This being a demo account that I'm using here, there's no fiat on that exchange. There's no stable coins on it, obviously for security purposes. But this is exactly how we would place this order. At $500, we wanted to pick up 2 BNB. So we would place that at 1,000 USDT. The math is pretty simple to do there, guys. I'm pretty sure you're well aware of doing this. But that there being a limit order, we could pick up 2 BNB at $500, the cost of course being 1,000 USDT. We would simply push the buy button. It would be illuminated if there was an available amount of USDT in the account, and that order would be placed. Now, as we are talking about BNB, if you're interested in learning more about BNB, what it is, why it's here in the space, and why we need the BNB token, in the top corner of the screen just now is a full breakdown, a full overview of the project, and a full explanation of what the BNB project is. I advise you guys to head on over and check that out after today's video. And the same obviously applies here for selling. If you're looking to sell BNB that you have held on that exchange, and perhaps you're looking to sell that BNB at $550, you could see you'd be selling that 2 BNB and making around about 1,100 USDT. And again, if you had the available amount of BNB within your Binance account, selecting that sell button, the sell order would be placed on the charts at $550. It's a very simple, very easy process, and it makes it so much easier to trade seamlessly using TradingView. Equally, we can jump in and out of the market on these spot positions. Let's say we wanted to buy 1 BNB at the current market price of $503.90. Once again, that buy option would become available here. You select the buy button and you would instantly pick up that BNB, perhaps not at an optimal price, but you would get the BNB at the price the market is currently sitting at. And of course, the process remains the same when you're looking to do a market sell. You're looking to sell exactly where the market is sitting. Perhaps there's extreme volatility. There's some big news came out and the market is obviously looking to dump to the downside. And you have, let's just say, 5 BNB in your Binance exchange and you want to sell it instantly at the current market price, $2,519. Once again, that sell button would become available here. You would smash that sell button and you would approve the transaction. And lastly, one thing we can also touch on here is how to get rid of that API key. Perhaps you no longer want it linked to your TradingView, but what you once again would do is come over into your user menu, into that API management once again, and we can see just here there is a delete tab. We would simply select that delete tab and approve the deletion of that API key. And as simple as that, that API key is no longer connected to your TradingView account. A very simple process. Should perhaps your TradingView account be hacked, you can delete that API key to protect your assets. So there we have it. Such a quick, simple process of creating the API key, integrating it into TradingView, and physically using TradingView to buy on your Binance exchange. This will make your processes so much simpler, so much faster, so much more efficient when you're trading your cryptocurrency. Guys, I do hope you have enjoyed today's update. Found it useful and informative. If you have, please do smash that like button, share, subscribe, all the usual good stuff to stay up to date with all of this educational content that we are bringing to you from here at Cheeky Crypto. And why not continue checking out more educational content from the channel by checking out this video right here.